Vulnerability analysis is more scanning, like Cisco. If you have any Cisco routers, you can use these tools to scan those routers. Database related scanners for SQL Server, for MySQL. We have the really cool tools like SQL Map, SQL Ninja. Those ones, once you found a vulnerability in a web server that it is related to SQL injection, you can just automate the process to get access to the server or to dump the database. So those are pretty cool tools. We're going to be using them. Fuzzing tools, fuzzers that you can use to find vulnerabilities can be Spike. It's pretty cool, Spike. It is more related to find vulnerabilities in applications. It supports plain text and binary protocols. It's pretty powerful. We have MIS scanners. Again, as you see here, is Nmap again. Is repeated. Nikto is for web servers. I mean, this is kind of multiple sections, and they repeat some of the tools. Open source assessments. Maltego is pretty cool. This is an application. I'm just gonna click on it. Maltego is pretty cool for threat intelligence. So basically, and actually it's a license. You need a license to use it, but they provide limited license for us that you just need to register, and I think they give you 30 days and you can use it. But basically what it does is, if you're trying to find, let's say in the IPT, Advanced Persistent Threat kind of research, that we have a certification about that, by the way. If you want to know who are the threat actors behind, probably you find a username or you find an email password. Maltego, if you provide that information, he's going to try to find all the IPs related to that username and all the hosts that were registered by that name or related name. It's going to give you all the IPs, and then basically it's going to provide a map of all information related to that user. If you provide an IP, it's the same. It's going to say, okay, this IP was open, but it's also related to these other IPs, and eventually to this specific host and to this specific user. So it's pretty cool to find the whole picture about a specific person or a specific asset in the network. As I said, you need to register, and eventually you will get access to this tool, but I'm not gonna do anything here. Investigate, when you start trying to add information. You can see here, you can add parents, you can add children. That's all related to the nodes where you are dealing with a research, when you're trying to find specific persons, IPs, hosts, servers. And again, coming back to our set of tools,